Hi, I'm Rithika. Welcome to India Food Network. Today I'm going to show you a 2-minute banana strawberry sorbet. It's super healthy, super delicious, and it's perfect to kill the heat. Keep watching. All you need for the 2-minute sorbet are 4 bananas which have been peeled, cut and frozen overnight, and about 8 medium-sized strawberries. You have to just put the bananas into the jar along with the strawberries. I'm going to blitz the bananas and strawberries together. And that's it, it's ready. I'm sure your kids will love it. If you like this recipe, subscribe to India Food Network and write in with your feedback.